And it's still recording. And it's still recording. And it won't stop.
Bye.
It's your girl Nuni, and welcome back to my channel. And thank you for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I got this look. I haven't named it. I don't know what to call it. My daughter gave me a couple different names and I forget the one she came up with. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this look. So stay tuned. So I went ahead and did my brows, and I did one eye off camera so that we could jump straight into this look. So if you would like more information on how I did my eyebrows, then you could watch the video that will be linked somewhere on the screen, and I'll also put it down in the description box. So let's get straight into this look. So the first thing I did was use my Plouise base to coat my eyelid in the shade 01 and in the shade 05. I'm going to be using this flat brush that I got from a set of brushes off of Amazon. Don't know the names, just some regular old brushes that I bought off of Amazon. So I'm just going to place my brush and kind of stamp it and kind of just drag it a little bit. Then I'm going to be taking my domed shadow brush and I'm going to buff that out. So next I'm going to go ahead and take the Plouise base shade in 01 and put a good amount on my lid. Press that into my eye. So I'm going to be taking this palette that I just purchased from Plan to Makeup by Yolondo. It's called the Jamrock Rebirth eyeshadow palette. So the colors that I'm going to be using today is this brown, this burgundy, this yellow, and I think I used this white. So these colors. Taking that brown on my brush, I'm going to pack that all on the outer portion of my eye. I'm going to bring it in, continuing to pack it. Now I'm taking that burgundy shade and I'm going to pack that right over the top of the brown that I just put down. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of that yellow and I'm going to go over the burgundy. So now I'm going to go back into that burgundy. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I normally will take some Vaseline and cut my crease, you know, to take the color off the lid. But today I'm actually just going to go ahead and cut my crease with the base shade. And you'll see what I'm about to do, so just keep watching. So now that we've cut our crease, we're going to go back into that brown shade. And right on the end, we're going to go ahead and fill that part in. Go into that burgundy again. And we're gonna basically go right over the top of that brown. Now going into that yellow shade, I took a different brush where it's easier to kind of pack colors on because the colors will grab a hold to the brush. So we're going to go right over top of that burgundy. back into that burgundy on the same brush in between that brown and that yellow. So now going into that white shade, I'm going to put this on the remaining part of my lid. Well, all I do is flip my brush over to, I have a big side and a small side. I just flip the brush over to the smaller side so I could kind of get into those creases. So now I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking this eyeliner that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be start at the middle part of my eye here. And going to draw a line up into that brown shadow. Closing my eye just a little bit because I'm starting to mess up. Into that brown and go right over the top of that black liner. So now that I'm finished lining my eye, I'll be using some glitter that I just got from the store and kind of mixed it together myself. I don't really use glitter because I hate having to clean it up. I hate when it gets in my eyeballs. But anyways, we're going to be putting this orange glitter over the top, and I'm going to be using this clear white lash adhesive. So after that is done, I'm going to go back into that brown shadow to kind of blend the end part. So the brown, I'm going to mesh it with the glitter to kind of blend that in. Yeah, and line my waterline with this black. So now I'm taking my lash on my tweezer. I'm going to go ahead and place it on my eye. If you need a detailed video on how to apply lashes, I also have a video for that as well. You could go ahead and check it out on my channel. So now that our eyes are done, we're going to go ahead and go in and moisturize our face. And I'm going to be using the Pond's moisturizer. Just massaging this all into my skin. Now going into my BlackRadiance foundation. The stickers came off, so I'm using Espresso and Brownie. Same foundations I use all the time. Taking this big fluffy brush. I actually used to use this to apply my blush, but now I use it to basically buff out my foundation. I learned this from a class by Plouise, and basically it kind of buffs out, giving you an airbrush finish on the skin, and I like this method, so I've been recently incorporating this method into my foundation routine. Now I've got my foundation laid down. I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer in the shade 55. I'm going to be buffing that out with this fluffy brush. Take that fluffy brush that I had the foundation on and go right over the edges so that it can all blend. So now I'm going to be going in with my, it's actually a BlackRadiance foundation stick, but I use it as my contour. So I'm going to be going in with that and angled brush and just like this. taking, as far as my bronzer, the shades from the MacBook. These 2 shades. And not swiping, just pressing it into my skin. Now going back with this brush that I use to place my cream contour. I'm going to go into the same palette, the MacBook, and I'm going to use this darker shade for my contour. Just placing it right in this area here. Not going too far down, just keeping it right here. Now I'm going to be going into the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crown Case also, and I'm going to be taking this shade here and going right at the apples of my cheek. I'm going to smile when I do this. Now that I look all caked up and stuff, I'm going to go in with my setting spray, and it is the BlackRadiance Dewy Finish setting spray. I'm going to be taking that brush that I used to apply the foundation. So now moving on to the lips, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. pencil in brown shade to line my lips. Now I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible paint. I don't know, I got this from Burlington with a bunch of other ones, and I've been using this one a lot. She's a pretty shade. I'm going to be taking this jumbo eye pencil in the color white from LA Colors, and I'm going to be placing that right on top. Kind of focusing in the center of the lip. Taking that brown liner pencil again and going right over the outline that I just drew. So I had to go back in with my Plouise base. That wasn't light enough for me. In the center. Lip gloss. So y'all, this is the completed look, but I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this real quick. So this concludes the video. If you enjoyed this look, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you'll be trying this look out or if you even followed along with me. Other than that, that is the end of this video. Again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time that I post, and I'll see y'all on my next one.